Guys, what's going on? I am back with another video for you guys, and it just snowed last night. Look at all the snow, guys. There is snow all over the cars, snow all over the garbage cans, snow everywhere. I gotta be careful when I walk in it because it's pretty deep. And I just cleaned off my mom's car a few hours ago. You probably can't see inside it because there's ice everywhere right now. Hopefully I don't fall here. Ugh. This is the official snowstorm of 2019. And there's my uncle snowblowing over there. Wow. I gotta be careful walking up the steps because there's ice. I don't want to slip and fall and break my neck. Wow. That is my uncle snowblowing. Wow, it is so slippery out here. Holy crap, it's even sleeting outside right now. It snowed overnight. There is snow everywhere. Look at all of this, guys. I think it's kind of snowing a little bit right now and sleeting at the same time, and it's also a little windy outside right now too. I don't know if you can hear the wind blowing or not, but it is windy. Whew. This is the official snowstorm of 2019, everybody. This is crazy.